Day 3 tayo, Miss Lilac. So first working set natin to exercise. First is alternating reverse lunges with twist, tapos deadlift to upright row. Kailangan natin light na dumbbell. So reverse lunges, tapos may twist. Pakita natin. Start natin dumbbell sa side. Okay, so reverse lunge, bend, open, twist. Okay. Twist tayo papunta sa kung saan tayo nag-step back. Okay, so again. So from here, lunge back, down, open, twist. Okay, yung back leg, doon tayo magto-twist. Return, rise. Switch, bend, open, return. Okay, so improving natin, developing natin dito is yung balance, core mobility, and strength ng core natin. Okay? So again, keep your heels up, chest back, chest up, shoulders back, down, and rise. So 10 repetitions. Alright. Again, 10 repetitions. So working your legs, yung core, tapos balance natin. Next, deadlift to upright row naman tayo. Same weights. Same weights tayo. So lightweight muna tayo. Down, deadlift, rise, lift up hanggang dito. Again. So inhale down, exhale up. Alright, dali, diba? Deadlift, up. Inhale, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. Alright, so 10 repetitions lang din ng deadlift to upright row tayo. Activating your posterior chain. So after natin mag-jump rope, ito yung gagawin natin para preparation sa susunod na working set din natin.